0. The first zero-carbon iPhone. Each year, 1 billion metric tons of carbon is emitted to manufacture, distribute, and power our smart devices.
As pioneers in clean technology, we want to change that. We redesigned the iPhone completely to make it 100% sustainable. Introducing the new iPhone 0. Lithium-ion batteries fucking suck. They don't last that long and can't be charged with our lightning cable. Like, look at this broken shit. And no, we still refuse to use USB-C.
Our world-class engineering team spent years of innovative research finding an alternative power source. And then it hit us. Why do we even need a battery?
With this powerful insight, we replaced the battery completely and the need to charge your phone, replacing it with Apple's newest innovation, Apple Core. Apple Core is the first mobile nuclear power source powered by a fission material of your choice. Select from uranium-235, plutonium-239, and if you pay enough, thorium-232. Clean nuclear power and a revolutionary new chip allows the iPhone 0 to power itself for more than 10 years, all while generating zero carbon emissions. Oh, and one more thing. You can now date Siri for a monthly price of $9.99, much cheaper than any other girlfriend. Hey babe, make me a sandwich.
Of course, sweetie. Be ready in a minute.
Who's jealous now, Olivia? Why?
iPhone 0. Batteries not included.
We are not responsible for any radiation poisoning, mutations, Siri cheating on you, and oh, Apple, please don't sue me.